Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Triple Whale tutorial for beginners. So first, what is Triple Whale? It is an e-commerce analytics platform often used by DTC brands to track performance across ads, revenue, customer behavior, and more. Now, on getting set up, first, visit triplewhale.com, then click on Login to log into your account. Step 2. Connect integrations. Triple Whale works best when all your tools are plugged in. You can connect Facebook Ads Manager, Google Ads, TikTok Ads, Klaviyo, Stripe, and Amazon. Use the Integrations tab and follow the simple step-by-step authorization process for each. Now, on navigating the dashboard, once you're set up, you'll land in the main dashboard, also known as the summary page. Here, you'll see total sales, ad spend, MER, or marketing efficiency ratio, blended ROAs, customer LTV, and net profit. Everything updates in real time and you can view it daily, weekly, monthly, or custom ranges. Now, on understanding the key metrics, MER is total revenue divided by total ad spend minus a high-level indicator of marketing efficiency. The blended ROAs, revenue from all sources divided by all ad spend. While the new versus returning customers, see how well you're retaining customer. And the AOV and LTV is crucial for long-term scaling decisions. Now on pixel tracking, Triple Whale has its own first-party pixel that can track conversions more accurately than Facebook Google, especially after iOS privacy updates. Now to install it, go to Settings, then Pixel. Follow instructions to install the Triple Pixel in your Shopify theme or use their app. Once installed, Triple Whale will begin tracking ad attribution independently, and this helps solve the problem of underreported sales on Meta or TikTok ads. Now on benchmarking and forecasting. Triple Whale provides benchmarks across industries so you can compare your performance, forecasting tools to predict future sales and growth, and LTV projections that help inform marketing budgets. Now, Triple Whale has an excellent mobile app that mirrors your dashboard in real time. Now, get push, see sales, ROAs, MER on the go. Get push notifications for major changes. Search for Triple Whale on the App Store or Google Play. Now on Customer Dashboard, you can create your own dashboards tailored to revenue teams, marketing teams, executive summaries, or specific campaigns. Drag and drop widgets, set filters, and view only what matters most to your role. Then on reporting and exporting. Download daily, weekly, monthly reports as PDFs or CSV. Set up automated email reports for your team or clients. Great for agencies or brand owners to review performance at a glance. Now lastly, the support and community. Triple Whale has live support chat inside the platform, a Discord community for users, training videos and walkthroughs, and webinars and case studies. Now some tips for you is check your dashboard daily for a quick pulse on your brand. Use the pixel plus attribution models to make smarter ad decisions. Create segment-specific dashboard for better insights, and always compare your blended performance, not just platform-reported numbers. And that's basically it.